Hello, I'm Leon from CYhair, and in the last video we discussed about how to import hair from Vietnam to many other countries with different ways. And this video will help you guys with how to import hair from Vietnam to Nigeria. And as you do know, Nigeria is considered to be one of our biggest markets in African country and also the most important one. So I will help you today to understand the process for the new hair business starters. So let's start this video. So first thing, let's talk about how to find suppliers in Vietnam. So the first step you need to do is you want to do research online via many social media platforms such as Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, and many other things. When you're doing research online, you will find out the type of hair you are going to purchase, the target market that you are going to sell for, and most importantly is that the price and the quality that you are going to sell to your customers. And after you pick the suppliers, the second step will be you contact the salesman of that company through the contact we see through WhatsApp. You can chat them through Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, anything that they are available. And lastly, you will do is discuss with them about the orders and making orders with them. And now let me show you guys how to making the order process so you can understand clearly. The first thing in the order process you need to do is that you need to picking your orders detail, which including the models that you are going to buy, like natural straight, natural wavy, curly, bone straight, any style you want. And next thing will be the color that you want. You want red, you want blue, you want yellow, gold, tell them. And also the quality, double round, super double round. And lastly will be the quantity, like 2 bundles, 3 bundles, 4 bundles. You need to discuss with them directly and give the information for them. And the second step you need to do is that you need to confirm on the invoice that they are making for you, including the total price and also the total bundle closures that you are going to buy. The third step, which is the most important thing, is that you will making payments in Nigeria currency, which is Naira. There are only 2 ways that you can make payment in Nigeria, which is through agents. Then you can buy by Naira. The second payment method will be through cryptocurrency. We can help you guys with that. And the reason is the governments of Nigeria, they don't allow to send money overboard to France and many other government things. So you can contact us more to get more details on this. And for the fourth step, we'll make production for you, which is from 7 to 10 days, depend on your order detail, so that how many kilograms of hair you are going to buy. And after production is finished, which is the 5th step, we will send you videos, pictures of each hair separately so that you can check for them, check for the color, check for the quality and all things before you confirm. And for the last thing, and you will confirm with us, and I will send the product to you through the agents, and then he will contact you. That's the home order process. So I will show you how to do orders instruction. So firstly, you can write down your order details on the paper, like this one, on the pictures that I'm showing you over here, including the type, the hair quality, also the length that you need. The next thing, our sales department, they will import those data that you are giving us to the Excel file, and then we will make quotation for you, including the shipping fee from our factory to the agents, as well as the discount for you. Also, if we have running on promotion, we'll give you a special gift as well. We have many special gifts like eyeglasses, curling tool, curling wand, hair conditioner, depending on your order details. And lastly, we'll give you the total amount that you are going to pay for the shipping fee from Vietnam to Nigeria. Our agent, they will charge it up. It will be around 6,000 naira to 9,000 naira per kilograms, and you can discuss directly with the agent to know about the rate and so on. So now you are finished with the order process. Let's start with the shipping process. So when production is finished, we will send the cargoes of your goods to the office in Ho Chi Minh City, which is our showroom right now. So our department there will double check for the quality of the hairs, including the type, the quality, the color that you need. After that, we will ship to Gabriel's in Ho Chi Minh City within the same days. For those of you guys who are wondering who is Gabriel's, Gabriel's is one of our agents. In Vietnam, we have many other agents. You can contact us to get more information of them, and each have their different strength as well as weakness. I will explain to you. The first step, the agents in Vietnam, they will ship to you to Nigeria after 5 to 7 days of flying from Vietnam to Nigeria. After the cargo is there, the sixth step, the agents, which is Gabriel's or many other agents, they will call you through your phone numbers, or they will text you through their WhatsApp and through your text manager. So please check for your available message and available calls. Don't miss that. The last step, you will be receive the goods at your doorhouse, or you can come to Gabriel office in Nigeria to pick up your goods. And if you are looking to buy from a trustful source from Vietnamese hair factory, you can contact us, CYhair factory, to get the best promotion right now. This is some of our best selling colors and best selling style right now on the market. Also, don't forget that we are running on promotion from this month. We see from autumn, and the next following month we will have many other promotions such as Halloween, Christmas, New Year's Eve, and also Eastern X Day. Many others. You can contact us directly to get the promotion. And lastly, if you like these videos, please leave our like, subscribe to our channels, and hit the notification bell below to follow us. Thank you, and see you guys next time.